people, so this is the final look of this unit. So this unit is super freaking cute AF. Now I did a little bit different things this time. So what I did, instead of gluing this all the way down, I only glued it from this part to this part, just because it is a kinky straight unit. So honestly, when you lift it this way, you still won't even be able to see the ear tabs, which I like. Now this unit, I did go in and straighten it very slightly, just because I wanted you guys to still see the texture. Now the best thing about this wig is the parting space. It's about like 4.5 to 5 inches of parting space. So I legitimately have it like about right here. Now for this one, it is a really, really nice kinky straight look, and I think I really like this a lot because I didn't have to tweeze this one. Usually when I get my units, I have to customize it, but YSwigs is pretty freaking good when it comes to their units and customizing it. So this one already came pre-tweezed, so this is the hairline naturally from the package. I didn't do anything as far as tweezing it. So this is exactly the way it came. Very realistic looking, very nice and attractive. Now I usually don't like to do too many baby hairs with straight hair like this, but I did do like very slight little light baby hairs in the front so that you guys get like a realistic vibe with this one. I hands down think that this is a really, really nice unit for my people who like this kinky straight. Now I know you guys are going to say, what's the difference between this one and the Desna wig that I reviewed a few, like 2 months ago? Now the Desna wig, the Desna inspired kinky straight unit, that one is longer and it wasn't as full as this one. This one is super full. I really like YSwigs, their units, because they do densities that are above average, meaning they're bigger densities. And not a lot of companies can achieve densities that are good, especially with a unit that's already kinky straight that has density. This right here is super duper nice. I actually feel like I didn't even have to put the straightener through. I could have just left it the way it was and it would have just been nice. I did flatten the surface so you guys get more of a realistic illusion when you kind of see the parting space. My French braid scales are terrible, so I just kind of finessed that a little bit, but listen up. It's still really cute and really realistic looking, so that's all that matters. So guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from YSwigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.